Namaskara. I am Dr. P. Hariharamurthy. I am a practicing ENT specialist in Bangalore for more than 3 decades now. Syringing of the ear is a common practice for evacuation of impacted cerumen or wax, as it's commonly called, from the external auditory canal or the external ear for that matter. Sometimes in case of children and in mentally disturbed people, there can be foreign bodies in the ear which have to be removed likewise. Small insects like ants or beetles can also get into the ear inadvertently and may necessitate washing out the ear. What is commonly seen in people who tend to use self-cleaning mechanisms like buds in the ear is an impaction of the cotton bud into the deeper part of the external canal, as a result of which requiring syringing. So syringing is a necessary tool in evacuation of the ear for different causes. How it is done is by taking warm water. In the case of uninfected people, we use warm water and it's taken in a syringe and it is pointed backwards towards the posterior part or the rear portion of the canal, and the gentle flow of jet that is used by the water goes inside and pushes the foreign body or the wax from inside, as it were, thereby evacuating it from the canal. This is a safe and necessary method to do the cleaning of the ear. Sometimes a jet of water going into the ear can be forceful enough to cause injury to the external auditory canal. So care must be taken to ensure that the jet is pointed backwards onto the canal wall, so it bounces off the canal wall, goes over to the eardrum and returns back to the outside, bringing the stuff that has to be removed with it. Sometimes we use saline in the case of an infected ear which has got a lot of secretions which are collected inside and has also harboring fungus which tends to grow in wet areas. So in that case it is necessary to use saline instead of plain water, as water may be an irritant to the infected area.